Hello guys, kumusta ang lahat? How are you today guys? So I hope everyone have a nice day. So I'm hoping that so we have a kamote guys. Mm, let's have it! Kain tayo, samahan niyo ako guys. Sarap. So very big. Mm, Mabusog na tayo nito guys. Okay na yung breakfast natin nito guys. Pag makain mo to lahat, nako guys, pwede na hanggang mamayang hapon kapag kumain ulit. Ang dami. Oh, we have a black coffee. So, how are you today, guys? So, I hope everyone have a nice day and a great day ahead. Ayun, kain tayo. Samahan niyo ako, guys. Ang dami pang sinasabi. Yan, cherries. Let's have it. Kain tayo nito, guys. Sinong mahilig din itong magkain, guys? Samahan niyo ako, guys. So, it feels like I have a blessing today. No? My sisters gave me this one, guys. Na? Mm. Mm. Yummy. Mm. My hair is still, guys, basak pa. Looks messy. Never mind. Kain tayo. Samahan niyo ako, guys. Have it. But I still like the small one. Mainit, guys. Very hot. At soup pa, guys. So yun lang ang update ko today, guys. I'm just eating a kamote. And then we have a black coffee. So sino pang hindi pa nakapag-coffee dyan? So mag-coffee na din kayo. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. See you next. Bye. Kain na. Magkain muna ako dito, guys. Mm. Mm.